Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, Average Joe Watch Reviews, where we do more than just reviews. Today we have a really fun special unboxing here, and this is from the DIY Watch Club, and it comes in this box, very well packaged. All right, it had the bubble wrap and everything in it, and everything is well protected. So here's your very nice case. It's got the leather patch on it, DIY Watch Club. And it's got a zipper to open it up. And here we go, guys. So this is the DIY Watch Club kit. What you would do is you would take out, this is actually the diver series. I asked for the blue diver. And what you would do is you would just take your cell phone, put it in photo mode, camera mode, and your camera will detect this little thing here, and this then will take you to the website to begin your watchmaker journey. If this doesn't work for you, you just basically type that in. Okay. They also give you, what else we got here? This is in another language, so okay. They also give you a working pad right here. Okay, so it's that faux leather, and it's just something that you don't, instead of working on like solid surface here, you have something here that won't damage the watch. All right, anything else in these pouches here? Not that I feel. Next up, we have boxes. So the first box is labeled Watch Case Diver Series. Okay, so we will open up the box and show you what we have inside. Check that out. All right, so we have the case here and the bezel insert. The bezel is actually like a baby blue, which I've never seen a baby blue bezel before. So that would be a unique addition. This is and it also has the double-sided tape on the back. And this also has the exhibition case back. How cool is that? I'm liking it. Next box is labeled. This is the actual movement here. And this one has the, I guess it's TMI NH35. Okay. And let's see. Here's your NH35 movement, guys. That's what it looks like. And we will definitely be showing you this when we put this watch together, so definitely stay tuned for that. Next up is, what do we got here? Diver dial with the date window, and this is actually the black dial. I didn't know what color dial I was gonna get, but I'm glad I got the black dial. So now we got the blue and the black. So as we can see here, don't want to touch the dial itself, so we'll just do this very carefully. We'll hold it by the edge there. There we go. Got some lume to this, looks like. Let's take a look at what the lume looks like on this dial, shall we? All right, let's see. Turn them both off. Look at that, guys. It's got some decent lume to it. I'm enjoying that. Very, very nice. And look at this. We even get a lumed bezel. Very, very nice. And that glows very, very nicely. So this is a blue luminescence, and you've got the green luminescence. Done very nicely. It actually glows better in person than it does under the camera. So I do want to let you guys know that. So I'm impressed by the quality of the materials that we're getting here. So we'll put that on the side. Let me just at least wrap this up so we don't get too much dust and stuff on it. Okay. Very good. Alright, what is next? I would say the handset, right? Diver hands. Again, the TMI NH35 hands. And they come in this little envelope here. And these are... There we go. They also give you, I know they give you an extra set of hands too, in case you mess up. So here's all your handsets here. And these also will glow as well. So I'm going to show you a loom shot of the hands. There you go. So they all have luminescence as well. Okay. I like the arrow. I like the arrow set. That's very nice. This is going to be a nice looking diver. Alright, so what else do we got here, guys? We've got a whole bunch of tools here. We've got a chopstick. So I guess I'm not going to be eating too much sushi with this since we only get one. But I know this is so you don't scratch during the building of the watch. And I know we'll be using that at some point. Here's some non-metallic tweezers. This is Switzerland Standard ST12 anti-magnetic. Super hard. Okay, excellent. And then we get, looks like a handset. See, I never built a watch before, so you might be laughing at me saying, oh, that's not what that is. Well, I think that's what this is. This is what you're going to push your hands on. Okay. And what else we got here? This would be to remove the hands. And this is another one to remove the hands. And a screwdriver, which I'm not sure what you would need this one for, but I guess we'll find out. And you're going to put this on a nice blue canvas strap. Actually, I don't even have a strap that looks like this, so this is going to be nice. Okay. And we got some more stuff here, guys. This is going to be your finger condoms. I guess your dial, I guess your sapphire cleaner or dust remover, I guess. You got your pins, spring bars, I should say. Okay. Very cool. And this is going to blow the dust. So there you go. It's a nice little thing. No one lives in a dust-free environment, so definitely going to come in handy. And this, my friends, is going to definitely come in handy, as you can see. And finally, we have one of these tools, which I have one as well. Looks like I have the same exact one. Cool. So guys, this is the DIY Watch Club, and you get everything included that you need to build your own watch. So I can't wait to put this together, but I wanted to at least show you guys the unboxing of what it includes. I'm really excited, so stay tuned, and until then, there's always time to be kind to one another. Please take care of each other, and I'll see you guys next time on Average Joe Watch Reviews. God bless, my friends.